Okay, it was tricky, but I got it. So I ended up making a little hook on here. I've since bent this. So it was just that hook originally. Because I couldn't, you're going one way and then you're pulling the opposite way. So I had to bend this wire, kind of feed it up and out. That was tricky. Kind of using my finger to guide it and then grabbed it with the needle nose to bring it up. And then when I got it snug, I had to pull the wire aside, put my finger in, and kind of push down on the wire so that the push was pulling this in. And then it let loose because I was bending it too much or broke out. I don't know. I mean, it's really strong stuff. I put a little hole in right here or right there on the opposite side. And I didn't want to bruise the grommet in there. So I kept this part in the tube, inside the tube here, because I didn't want that to etch the grommet and make a spot for the gas to come out. And then it came off, and I still couldn't reach it, but I barely got it with my finger. But that didn't really help, so I made this hook here, hooked the hose, brought it up just barely enough to get the needle nose on this tip here, and then I had to hold that aside and put my finger down in to kind of push down, but I couldn't get it in there. So then I used a screwdriver to kind of go down on the hose and push down while I was holding this so I would pull this in. And that did it. So I don't think I bruised it or anything. It's really tough stuff. So I'm going to clip it now. Take a look at the fuel filter, which I'm pretty sure is fine. And then that can go back into the tank. And hopefully it goes down in right. I might have to get a flashlight to see where it goes. And then I can bring this around and hook it on. Maybe I have to clip it a little bit. And maybe I can pull a little bit more through. I'm not sure. Or maybe I don't know what I need to. I want that fuel filter to fall in there in a good spot. But yet it's nice having enough that I can pull it out and check it later too. Okay, it's through. So now we got to hook it up and test it.